Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today we're doing an unboxing of the NOMAKENOLIFE subscription box. So if you want to see what's inside of this box, then keep on watching. All my socials and everything are listed down below along with timestamps and all the makeup that I'm currently wearing. So here we go, we're gonna go right into it. If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I just posted my video on the July box. And then I got another one and I'm like, is this the August box? Like, I don't even know what this is. I ordered it maybe mid or late June. So maybe the one on my other video is supposed to be June and this is July. Like, I don't even know anymore. I don't even know. All I know is that they said that the August one had shipped, but there's no way it got here that fast. They said it takes like 3 weeks. So regardless of what it is, it's new. I just got it like a few days ago and we're gonna open it together right now. So here we go. It's opening here. Yeah, see, this says July 2020. I think the one I got, the magazine said August 2020. So I feel like I got the August box first or something. But regardless, you know, whatever it is, I got it now. And so here we go. I'm gonna do this here. Oh my God. It's a Sailor Moon cup or something. Oh my Lord. This was all worth it. What is this for? Oh my God. Maybe I'll show it to you guys first as I get sideswept. Maybe it's for brushes or it's a bowl. I don't know, but it's Sailor Moon. And the other one I got like a Pokemon gel and this I got a little cup. Okay, yay. I'm so excited. Okay, next is, that is Korean. Oil in Moisture Hand Jelly. Cassis and Cherry Blossoms. I'm gonna see if this has a smell. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, well that's good. Let's open this up and see what's going on. A jelly, hand jelly. It smells like soap. So what we got going on here? No, it smells like cherry blossoms, like that Bath and Body Works, you know, the Japanese cherry blossom scent. That's what that kind of smells like. So what am I doing? Hand jelly. So I guess, yeah, you're just supposed to rub into your hands. I'm doing it right. Feels almost like hand sanitizer. Not too overpowering of a scent though, but that's nice. Oil in. Okay, so the oil will stay in your hands. And I don't know what the back says. And then everything is just so colorful in here. When I put everything back, I'll show you kind of what it looks like. Juicy Na Mist. Okay, that's okay. Juicy Na Mist. Interesting. I'm going to assume it's some sort of setting spray, possibly. I use my phone and I use like Google Translate or Bixby because I have an Android. And when you show it in the screen, a different language, it can translate it. And I did it with the other products that I got and it works. So I will figure out what this is. Oh, cute. Point Pack. Okay. This is a little mask or something you put on your face? On my cheeks? I'm putting this on my cheeks or my eyelids or like my under eye. But oh my gosh, they actually look like oranges. That's not, see? That's the actual pad. Oh, that's so cute. And I think, no, this is different. This is face pack. Each day brings happiness to me. This is a face mask. But I feel like it's the same company. Yes, I think it is. The back looks the same. And there we go. A little, I guess this is a strawberry face mask. Very nice. All right. Cute. Oh my God. What in the world? 16 fruit chew. This is fruit? No. What? I don't. It looks like Skittles. Do I eat this? No. Blurring matte lipstick to express fruity mood with its sweet sour fragrance. Oh my Lord. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Okay, I have to open this because it has like that 18-month kind of symbol there. Oh my God, I don't want to rip it, but I gotta see what's inside. I know you need to see what's inside because I don't know what in the world this is. Oh my God, it smells like a fruit chew. Yep. Okay, it's a lipstick. It's a bullet lipstick. 16 brand. Oh, it's red. Oh my goodness me. Okay. I love it looks like a crayon. Let's give this a swatch here. Wow. That's a matte red. Okay. And it smells, as much as it smells like a strawberry or a raspberry, it smells like a, how do we describe it? Almost like perfume at the same time. It's not just totally fruity, but it's a nice little bullet. So, okay, that's cute. And the packaging is just, that it's all about the packaging here. Holy moly. That's so cute. And, oh, there's a lid. There's a lid for my little Sailor Moon thing. Oh my goodness. This is like the cutest thing. Oh, you know what I'm putting in here? You know what I'm putting? Wait. So on my dresser, that's like right behind me, that you're always probably like, oh my God, I have another perfume. I have all these testers of perfumes that I've been collecting for I don't know how many years. And I can't get rid of these because a lot of these are like Dolce & Gabbana, Dior, Chanel, Marc Jacobs. These are the fragrances I actually wear. So when I would buy them or I get them as gifts or, you know, people give them out at the mall. So I am going to transfer this into here because I feel like it's a little bigger because this thing is overflowing and it's like falling on me as I have it in my lap. So there we go. So this is what this guy is right here. Cute. A couple more things. I feel like there was more in this one than the other one. This is soap because it literally just says soap. Ichigo milk flavor. Okay, that's interesting. It feels like it almost feels like there's like a macaroon in here, or macaron, the cookie one. Okay, I'm gonna open this up, and again, it smells like strawberries or raspberries or something. And it's just a soap. It's a bar of soap. Obviously strawberries. We got a little engraving of a strawberry. Okay, so that's nice. I'll go put that in the shower. I'll deal with that. And the last thing is, oh, this is so cute. What is this? Ice cream. No, it's not ice cream. I'm looking at the component because the lipstick inside looks blue. And I've just got mesmerized by it because it's blue glitter. But why is it in an ice cream thing? Why lip cream? It's the only English on the back there. So, okay, I'm gonna open this up. Again, look how cute it is. It looks like a carton of milk. Look at this nice light blue. Oh my God, I can't. The cuteness in this box is real. Like the 12-year-old in me is screaming right now. Okay, so this is it right here. It's got little, what are these, light bulbs? I don't even know anymore. This is it. It almost looks like that e.l.f. component, you know, the new things that they have. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like plastic. I'm gonna put a swatch right over here. I don't know what I expect to happen. Nothing. Is this real or is this fake? No, it's real. Okay, something's coming off. I'm like, is this one of those fake lipsticks? Okay, it's balmy, but I mean, I don't think my Dior lipstick needed any more balminess, but okay, so thank you. Very cute. My goodness. That scent of that hand cream is really nice. It's just lingering everywhere I am, and it's so nice. Okay, so let's recap really quickly everything that I got here. So let's try to go like in reverse order here. So we got this really cute lip balmy lipstick here in the blue clear. Okay, and then we have a face mask and some eye masks here as well. And there's a face mist here. We got the hand cream, the hand jelly, sorry, pardon me. And then we have this matte lipstick here and this nice red. It actually would really go with what I'm wearing because that red is just like, see, it just appears. Okay, maybe I'll put like a little bit on. Okay, how did I do without like a mirror right in front of me? Okay, I didn't do like a horrible job. But yeah, we have this guy here, which is just pretty nice. Doesn't seem too patchy, but my mirror's far away and I can't see anything without my glasses. We have the bar of soap here. And then last but not least, we got this Sailor Moon little jar with a little lid. And it's pink and I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And if you can see, if you go close, it has like little etchings of things. Like there's her wand and so this is so nice. But yeah, that's it for me. And I am so happy with the things that I got here. So I guess this was supposed to be my first box and the other one I got was supposed to be the August box. I mean, if the magazines are anything to go by. But regardless, even for my other No Make No Life video, I was like, let's see, you know, how they go and if I like it and if I'm going to continue. I think I'm going to continue probably for a couple more months because The other one was pretty good. This one is like 10 times better, and I feel like there's more stuff in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going with that. And hopefully if you've been thinking about ordering or subscribing to this and you've been seeing it pop up all over your Instagram, you'll do what I did and you'll subscribe. So anyways, that's it from me. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then you should check out the other ones that are popping up right here. I have a ton of other unboxings from other subscription services that I do, like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and now my new one, NOMAKENOLIFE. YouTube should be recommending you a video that you're going to enjoy, and I know you will. I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.